Hello, Mavs! Today I'm going to walk you through how to fill out a registration form for next school year. You will receive a form that looks like this in your homeroom. Depending on what grade level you are, it will be specific to you. So we're going to work with a 10th grader. To the right, you will have this filled out for you already, giving you your login information in the event that you don't remember it, because you will need it in order to fill out this form. So Diploma is the person that we're going to work with today. The first thing I want to show you is if you are interested in Running Start, you have two sections to fill out. This box right here, basically what we are asking of you to do is to sit with your family and go through our website, which is the Running Start website and the counseling, and read through the pamphlet, watch the videos, everything that tells you about what Running Start entails. If you still decide that that is what you want to do, we're going to ask you to have your parents sign this and circle yes. You're also going to select down here what university or what community college or military or work, what are you doing after high school? As of right now, these are the thoughts. This is where you want to go to school. What is your interest as of right now? If you are a music student, you might still be taking one class. If you do, then you're going to go ahead and write that in the back, and you would say chamber choir, or you would say cadet band, or one ensemble, whatever it is that you're wanting to do. If you are doing Running Start, you are done. High schoolers, you have a little bit more to do. We are asking that you make sure that you read every direction very carefully so that we fill this out accurately. One of the big things to remember is that if a course ends in an A, you must take B. Really, it indicates that it's a year-long commitment. We also want to remind you that these are the courses that are selected to create the master schedule, and so we definitely hold you to it. So if you are unsure of what the class entails, please follow the next steps so that you are able to read the descriptions and be super aware of what that class is all about. However, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review all of our registration materials. We're going to watch the videos. We're going to look at the forms and fill out the forms, and that's what we're doing right now. So we're going to go to step 2. You're going to go to Skyward Access and review your graduation requirements. So utilizing your Skyward information, you would go to Family Access, and you will get to a section that looks like this. Graduation requirements. So this sophomore has completed 11.25 credits, is currently enrolled in 3.75, and needs 11 to graduate. That is pretty standard. This student is looking great. So next year, this student needs an English credit, a math credit, a science credit, a history credit, a PE, world language if they plan to go to a four-year university right after high school, and then their electives. So D is looking pretty good. The other place that we're going to ask you to make sure that you take a look at is your High School and Beyond page. So your High School and Beyond page is located on our website, and you know how to get on, hopefully. You click on that and you look at what are your plans for after high school. We want to make sure that you write in what your current career interest is, and then again, what are you going to do after high school? Where are you going to go? All right, so now we're going to pick our classes. We're going to look at English 11 or AP language. What is the difference between the two? So remember when we talked about registration page, you're going to go, this is where the registration page is. You're going to click on this course catalog and it will bring you to this. So the table of contents, we are looking at English, right? We want to know the difference between AP English or regular English. So we're going to click that. We're going to go to English 11. We will read the description right here and then also read the AP language over here. Always pay attention to a prerequisite, pay attention to the grade levels, and remember it's 2 semesters, so it's a year-long commitment. There is an A and there is a B. This student has decided that they're going to take AP Lang. They love English. History. There is a regular history and there's an AP history. Again, you want to read the description so you're aware. AP does mean that you're going to be doing more rigor, so be aware that you're going to need to put extra time in homework. I don't know what math to take. That's the next section. So this student was enrolled in geometry. The really cool thing about our course catalog is that there is a math flowchart. So we're going to click on that. We're going to say, so I just completed geometry. Okay, I need to take algebra 2. So then you would put in algebra 2. Remember, it's a year-long course, and you're going to put in the course code. Science. I just finished biology. Maybe you finished chemistry. You have different options. You're going to also go to the science flowchart and look at the options that you have available to you. So this is really cool. It kind of breaks it down by all the sequences and what are your possibilities. If you're currently enrolled in chemistry, the next option is AP Bio. If you're enrolled in biology, your next option is chemistry or physics. You have options. So we want to make sure that you're looking at all of your options and your decisions on what you want to do. And of course, it coincides with your high school and beyond plan. What are you going to do after high school? Those are the big questions for you. So we already saw that diploma was going to do running start. So now we're looking at a high schooler that wants to do CB Tech. CB Tech does have an application process. So we encourage you to go to their open house. We encourage you to go to the curriculum night and talk to them and fill out the application. So in the event that you've done all the things and you still want to do CB Tech, you're going to choose medical assistance. No, you're not going to choose that. This is what this student is choosing. Medical assistance, CB Tech, 6 blocks. The reason why it takes all of those is because it's a year-long course and it's 3 periods a day. So half of your day is spent at CB Tech. So you fill this out. This is what you want. If you have a different backup, there's something else at CB Tech that you're interested, we recommend that you put it off to the side and maybe you say something else over here just so that sometimes medical assistance gets full and they can look at maybe you can take the other course. When you fill out the CB Tech form, we also encourage you to put a backup plan on the CB Tech form as well. We do need you to do step 9. Step 9 is imperative. If you cannot get into a course of your choice up here, those are the first options that we're going to give you. These are your backups. We want to make sure that you choose things that you still like. So make sure that you're still looking at the course catalog and you're reading the descriptions and recognizing what the class itself entails. You will eventually get the teacher to sign off, but this is in the future. And then we want to make sure that you fill out these boxes. So if you have any questions or you have comments, I want to remind you that you will meet with us one-on-one and we will review this with you before sending it off to be solidified for next school year. So you can write your questions right here so you don't forget your question for when you come and see us with our one-on-one. Recap. Lots of things to remember. The biggest thing to remember is if there's an A, there's a B, and read the steps. Make sure that you're watching the materials on our website. Make sure that you are checking out graduation requirements and you are looking at your high school and beyond plan throughout this. We also want to make sure to remind you that there will be a curriculum night on February 21st, and we encourage you to come and chat with the teachers and with the electives of classes that you're looking at and are interested in. I hope this has been helpful and we are excited for this new episode in your life. Thanks.